Navigating Medicare, a step-by-step guide for seniors. Welcome to our animated guide on how to enroll in Medicare for seniors. Whether you're turning 65 or qualifying due to a disability, understanding the enrollment process is crucial for accessing the healthcare benefits you deserve. Let's dive in. Understanding Medicare. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people aged 65 and older, as well as certain younger individuals with disabilities. It consists of different parts, each covering specific healthcare services. Eligibility. To qualify for Medicare, you generally need to be 65 or older. If you're younger, you may be eligible due to a qualifying disability. Make sure to check your eligibility before proceeding. Initial Enrollment Period, IEP. Initial Enrollment Period is a 7-month window that begins 3 months before your 65th birthday and extends 3 months after. This is the best time to enroll and avoid any late enrollment penalties. How to enroll. Enrolling in Medicare is easy. You can do it online through the official Medicare website, by calling the Social Security Administration, or by visiting your local Social Security office. Remember, if you're already receiving Social Security benefits, you may be automatically enrolled. Choosing your coverage. Medicare has different parts. Part A covers hospital stays, while Part B covers outpatient services. You have the option to enroll in both or choose additional coverage through Medicare Advantage, Part C, and prescription drug coverage, Part D. Special enrollment periods. Life doesn't always go as planned. If you miss your initial enrollment period, don't worry. There are special enrollment periods triggered by certain life events, such as retiring or losing employer-sponsored coverage. Additional tips. Here are some quick tips. Be aware of enrollment deadlines, carefully review plan options, and consider additional coverage needs. Taking the time to understand your choices will help you make informed decisions about your healthcare. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Medicare enrollment process. Remember, staying informed about your healthcare options is the first step to enjoying a healthier, happier retirement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Heroes for more tips and guidance. Until next time, thanks for watching.